Hello again. Thank you for watching this video and studying math with me. The topic of this video is about dividing fractions. We're going to learn about the reciprocal of a fraction, we're going to learn how to divide fractions, and we're going to solve an application problem in which the fractions have to be divided. So let's begin by talking about what is the reciprocal of a fraction. So two numbers are reciprocals of each other if their product is 1. So to find the reciprocal of a fraction, switch the numerator and denominator. Now every number has a reciprocal except 0. 0 has no reciprocal because you can't divide by 0. And here's the process whereby we divide two fractions. Multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction, and that's our process. Now what follows is going to be an opportunity for you to do some work. You should, once I put the screen up, you should pause the video, try to work the problems, and then you can advance the video and see my solutions to them. So here are your opportunity to do some work, and I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I'm back in a bit. The first thing we want to do is find the reciprocals. We really just turn each of these upside down. This is 3 over 1, so the reciprocal would be 1 over 3. This is 1 over 2, so the reciprocal is 2 over 1, or 2. This is 9 over 5, so the reciprocal is 5 over 9. And this is 60 over 1, so the reciprocal of that is going to be 1 over 60 as an answer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go through and divide these fractions. We're going to find the reciprocal of the second number, and then we're going to multiply. So this is going to be 1/2 times the reciprocal, which is 4 over 3. Now the 2 goes into the 2 once, the 2 goes into the 4 twice, so the answer to this first one is going to be equal to 2/3. This one I have 5 over 9 times the reciprocal is 15 over 3. Now 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. So 5 times 5 is 25, 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer to this second one is going to be 25 over 9. The next problem, we have 5 over 6, and we're dividing it by 9 over 2. We invert the second one, and we have this. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 3 times, and so we're going to have 5 over 27 for our answer there. The next one is going to be 5 over 24, and we're looking at dividing that by 24 over 36. The 24s will cancel one with another, and the answer is going to be 5 over 36. Now, whenever we're dividing by a whole number, what happens is we're going to be calling each whole number 1, and this is going to be the same thing as 2 divided by, and that's going to be, it's hard to read that. I think that's 13 over, I can't read that one much. The next one is going to be 4 over 5 and 28. Let's do this one. 4 over 5, and we're dividing it by 28 over 1. So we invert that, and we have this. So 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 28 7 times. So the answer to this one is 1 over 35. This one I still can't read, and perhaps you can see that. Maybe I'll try to focus it just a little bit and see what happens if I get a good focus on that. And it's not coming in much better. Let's read the last problem. So a guy is driving his car 50 miles, but he took 5/6 of an hour to do it. So what's his average speed? So we'll say it is 50 over 1. We're going to divide that by 5 over 6 to get miles per hour. But when you divide by 5 over 6, you multiply by the reciprocal. It is 6 over 5. And so 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 50 10 times, so the answer to that is 60 miles per hour. Okay, so we did a bunch of those problems. In closing, time is precious. Each day must count. Students should do the math. It will make you strong. Do more problems in your book and read your book, and take care, and see you in class.